So jumping straight into the first thing that you guys need to be aware of, which is that you need to understand what affiliate marketing is. Now, the reason why I thought that this was important for me to put as the initial thing is because there's so many people out there that think they know what it is when in reality they're a little bit confused on exactly how it works. That was the case with myself anyway. I used to go on YouTube and see all of these different people talking about how they're making money with this particular online business, and I didn't really understand how it works. But in reality, it's actually a very simple online business model. All it really comes down to in its simplest form is that you need to get an affiliate link. So you're going to be able to get this from an affiliate marketplace, or you can go directly to whatever company that you want to start promoting. Then what you need to do is put that affiliate link in front of the right person. And there's various different ways that you can do this. And I'm going to be explaining some methods a little bit later on in this video. And once you have placed the affiliate link in front of the right target audience, there's a high percentage that a lot of them are going to click on that affiliate link and buy that product or service. And from that point, you're then going to receive a commission. And for those of you that don't know exactly what a commission is, this is simply a portion of the amount of money that the company made for the fact that you gave them a brand new customer. So the whole point of doing affiliate marketing as an affiliate marketer is to earn as much commission as possible, because this is essentially how you make your money on a day-to-day basis. And once you have figured out a solid strategy that works for you and you have gotten to this point where you're receiving commissions, it's then going to be a simple case of just rinse and repeating and doing it all over again. Now, of course, this is a simple explanation as to how affiliate marketing works. There's a lot more nuances that go into it, but the initial thing that you need to make sure that you do when it comes to making money online with this particular method is that you just need to understand exactly what it is and how it works. All right, so moving on to the second thing that you need to do before you get started, which is that you need to make sure that you spend time analyzing various different affiliate marketers. And this is super important to do with any online business that you're thinking about doing, whether it's e-commerce, dropshipping, faceless automated YouTube channel, blogging. It doesn't really matter. You just need to make sure that whatever way you're looking to make money online, you research and study people that are successful in that particular field. Because if you're able to find someone that is making money with affiliate marketing using a strategy that you know that you're comfortable doing yourself, and you believe that you're going to be successful when it comes to replicating what they've done, you just need to make sure that you reverse engineer what they've done, follow their footsteps, and apply it to your own life. And you're probably thinking to yourself right now, but Sam, how exactly am I going to find successful affiliate marketers? Well, to be honest with you, it all depends on what platform you're looking to build your affiliate marketing business on. Because right here, as you can see, there's people that are doing affiliate marketing on TikTok, YouTube, whether it's email marketing by having a newsletter, Instagram, Facebook, building their own blog website. These are the most popular traffic sources that affiliate marketers are using right now as we speak. So you're going to need to go through them and see exactly what exactly are they doing right, what exactly are they doing wrong, what type of affiliate offers are they promoting, and if you're going to be able to sign up for the affiliate program and start promoting it yourself. But it's very important to know that even if you are able to figure out a strategy that people are using on all of these different platforms, if you're currently a beginner that's looking to get started, you don't want to start off with all of them at the same time. I would recommend that you start off with one, whichever one that you're more comfortable with, build up that traffic source, and then from there you can now move over to all of the other platforms one by one. This is what I did anyway when I first got into affiliate marketing. Initially, I started off with YouTube channels, whether it was faceless channels or me showing my face like what I'm doing right now. And then once I understood exactly what went into building up a successful channel, and I also was able to build up recurring commissions, I now started repurposing all of my content onto platforms like TikTok and Instagram. And then from there, I built up various different email lists, and I have various different newsletters, and I've got a couple different blog websites. But the way that I've been able to achieve this level of success on my journey so far all stem from the fact that I spent time when it came to analyzing successful affiliate marketers. Okay, so swiftly moving on to the third thing that you guys need to know before you get started with affiliate marketing, which is that you need to set aside a budget. And I know right now most of you are probably thinking, but Sam, what exactly am I going to need to spend money on when it comes to me driving traffic to my affiliate links? Well, there's so many different things that you do need to spend money on when it comes to building this particular online business. And I'm not necessarily saying that it's going to be a lot of money, but you just need to make sure that you bear in mind that there is going to be some sort of expenditure that you're going to need to put aside for any eventualities. And right here in front of me, I've broken down some of the main costs that you need to be aware of. So starting off with the first one, which is platform cost. So this is things like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all of the ones that I just showed you now. Obviously, for most of them, you're not going to need to pay anything when it comes to signing up for it. However, if you do decide to go down the route of, let's say, starting a blog website, you're going to need to budget at least $60 per year. And this is mainly for the hosting. Now, the hosting platform that I normally recommend to beginners is Hostinger, and I've got a discounted link in my description down below that's going to take off a large amount when it comes to you getting started. So if you do want to take advantage of that, click the link down below. One of the next things that you're going to need to pay for is an email marketing software. Now, building up an email list is a crucial part of an affiliate marketing business, and I'd recommend everyone to do it from day one. So for this, you are going to need to pay something, and initially when it comes to building up an email list, you're not going to have to pay anything if you've got a certain level of subscribers. But once you cross that level, I believe it's around 1,000, you are going to need to pay around $29 per month. But if you did want to sign up to the email marketing software that I use, which is Aweber, you're going to be able to do that by clicking the link in my description down below for a free account. The next expenditure or the next cost that you need to be aware of is freelancers. So I'm using freelancers in my affiliate marketing business right now in various different ways, whether it's long form video editors, short form video editors. There's so many different freelancers that I'm using on a daily basis. So this is definitely something that you need to be aware of as you start to scale things up. And you also need to know that there's going to be random expenses too. So there's always going to be issues that are happening with any online business. So you need to set aside a budget for this. And if you do plan on using any form of paid ads, you also obviously need to have some money for this as well. But the main point that I'm trying to make with all of this is that before you get started, you just need to make sure that you set aside a budget, because this is super important for any online business, not just an affiliate marketing business, because you don't want things to be delayed just because you don't have the right amount of money when it comes to growing your business to the next level. Okay, so on to the fourth thing that I'm going to discuss that you guys need to make sure that you do before you get started, which is that you need to open up a Bitly account. And a Bitly account is basically what you're going to use when it comes to shortening down an affiliate link. Because when you first sign up to an affiliate marketplace, or you sign up directly to a company's affiliate program and you start receiving your affiliate links, they're going to be really long, and it's going to be really difficult when it comes to placing it on your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you're thinking about placing your affiliate links. So from day one when I first started doing affiliate marketing till now, I've always used Bitly when it comes to shortening down my affiliate links. And not only is Bitly good when it comes to shortening down all of your different links, but it's also good when it comes to you double checking and tracking all of the clicks that you're getting on a daily basis. Like for example, I've just logged into one of my Bitly accounts, and as you can see over here, I'm able to track how many clicks this particular affiliate link is getting. So in total, it's received over 20,000 clicks. And I'm also able to see any trends, if it slightly dips, if it slightly increases. Not only that, you're also able to see data, for example, where people are clicking your links the most. So as you can see with this particular link, I'm getting more traffic from the United States. The second source of traffic is the United Kingdom, then Australia, and then everywhere else. So again, using something like Bitly has definitely been super helpful when it comes to shortening down all of my different links and making them look really presentable, as well as helping me make data-driven decisions when it comes to if I should continue promoting a particular company or if I should maybe stop because the interest might be dying down. And this actually now brings me on to the fifth thing that you guys need to make sure that you do before you get started, which is that you also need to open up a PayPal account too. So one common thing that I've noticed with majority of the companies that I'm promoting and all of the different affiliate marketplaces that I use, they mainly send all of the commissions that you're going to be earning to a PayPal account. Now, some of them do send your funds directly to a bank account too, but if you want to be able to not have any issues when it comes to receiving money from all of the different companies that you're going to promote over your journey, you just want to make sure that you sign up to a PayPal account ASAP. Because the sooner that you sign up to a PayPal account and the sooner that you verify it in terms of sending them your ID, sending them all of your documents, and just validating yourself, when it comes time for you to earn figures just like this, as you can see on the screen right now, you're not going to have any issues when it comes to PayPal restricting your account or anything like that. Because I've been using PayPal accounts like this for the past year, 2 years, 3 years, I've built up a relationship with them, which means that when I receive large amounts of commissions, I don't have any issues in terms of me being able to transfer it from my PayPal account to any bank account that I want to. Alright, so moving on to one of the final things that I want to share with you guys before I end this video off, which is that you just need to make sure that before you get started with affiliate marketing, you have the right mindset. And what I mean by this is that before you go into it, you need to understand that of course it's a great way for you to make money, but you also need to make sure that you're going into it with the right level of knowledge, and you're also going into it with the right long-term plan. Like for example, with myself, even though of course I earn affiliate commissions on a daily basis, this isn't my main business that I'm trying to build. I see affiliate marketing as a byproduct or a revenue stream of a much larger long-term business. So whether it's me building up YouTube channels, email newsletters, blog websites, I see that as the actual main business that could be sold in the future. And again, affiliate marketing is just a stream of income. So before you get into this online business model, you just want to make sure that you have the right mindset going into it, you have the right plan so that you're going to be able to make the best decisions. The mistake that I see so many people make when they start any online business is that they're so focused on the money that they're going to make, and because they're only obsessed about money and not actually building a long-term business with a real foundation, they're not going to be able to grow that business past year 1, year 2, year 3 because they haven't really thought about exactly what they're doing. So that's the main message that I want to leave you guys with, which is that of course affiliate marketing is a great stream of revenue for any online business, but it's not the be all and end all. You need to make sure that you're building a real business with real foundations, and if you bear that in mind as well as all of the other things that I spoke about, this is definitely going to put you on the path of long-term success. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to send you an email relating to topics to do with Amazon FBA, selling on eBay, drop shipping, starting a blog website, and of course affiliate marketing. Then you can sign up for that completely free email newsletter by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down step by step what you need to do when it comes to actually starting affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, then you can watch that video by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.